Hello guys, in this video I'll show you how to withdraw money from FanDuel to Debit card. Firstly, open the FanDuel app or website and log into your account. Click on the login or profile icon and then on the account page just select Withdraw. You'll see details about your withdrawable balance, funds from winnings and refundable deposits. Select one of the available methods like online banking, debit card, Venmo, PayPal, and check. And we are doing it with debit card, so choose it. If you've made deposits using a specific method, that option will appear automatically. For new methods, you may need to set them up by entering the necessary details. Specify the amount you wish to withdraw, then confirm your withdrawal request. After submitting, it will take some time, so wait for it to be completed. And that's it guys, thank you for watching and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.